Preparing the pigment for painting means taking out the powdered pigment. In this case, this is called a Naples dark, but really it looks like yellow ochre. And then we add drops of distilled water, staying away from tap water because of the chemicals in the tap water. And then we use this beautiful mullein, and we grind the pigment into the water. Now this color grinds very, very easily, and there are some colors, some pigments that grind with tremendous difficulty. There are some reds and some blues that really are so hard to grind. But this is a breeze. So we've made a little paste of this color. And the paste can now be stored in a jar. In this case, I have this tiny little jar because I just made a small amount for the demonstration. So that's the paste and the grinding, and that's step one of preparing paint.